How to send a cold email without blocking AI strategies. AnyBiz. Ready to be your business hero? Learn how AI can supercharge your cold emailing efforts with precision and compliance. Discover tips and tools to avoid email blocks and boost engagement. Approximately 80% of marketers have seen increased email engagement over the past year, thanks largely to AI. These tools allow for tailored content, precise delivery timing, and scalable audience segmentation. In the competitive realm of email marketing, the difference between a successful cold email and one that gets blocked often hinges on creativity and adherence to best practices. AI can be a game changer here. Email accounts can be blocked or suspended for several reasons, mainly due to spam-like behavior. High email volumes, frequent sending without engagement, and poor content quality can trigger spam filters. Email providers have strict and evolving policies to prevent unwanted messages, including assessing sender reputation and monitoring recipient interactions. AI boosts cold emailing by optimizing content, timing, and personalization. It uses data to craft engaging messages, predict the best send times, and avoid spam filters, increasing engagement and reducing the risk of being marked as spam. Review of AI-enabled platforms for cold emailing. 1. AnyBiz's AI-driven sales agent automates the entire client engagement process with precision. It operates 24/7, personalizes outreach across multiple channels, and continuously refines its strategies based on data. Key features include automated email tailoring, customized landing pages, domain warming, and compliance checks. Integrated with CRMs and equipped with real-time analytics, AnyBiz streamlines lead generation and boosts efficiency. Try AnyBiz's 7-day free trial to transform your cold emailing and client engagement. 2. MailGenius ensures better email deliverability by testing for spam triggers and suggesting layout improvements for readability. It also tailors emails based on user activity to boost engagement. 3. SendSmart uses AI to enhance email marketing with dynamic list segmentation and engagement predictions. It automatically targets messages, forecasts user interactions, and personalizes content for better results. 4. Inbox AI leverages AI to refine email content using deep learning and NLP, improving engagement and avoiding spam triggers. It also predicts unsubscribes and ensures compliance with regulations. Cold emailing struggles with issues like spam filters, lack of personalization, and generic content. Problems include spam trigger words, poor timing, and failure to follow compliance rules like easy unsubscribe options. Managing sender reputation and overcoming skepticism are tough, and the process can be resource-intensive. Domain and email warming is key to avoiding spam filters and cold emailing. AnyBiz automates this process, ensuring new domains build a good reputation and emails reach inboxes, letting you focus on content. To use AnyBiz, sign up and enter your LinkedIn details. Set your target audience and optionally connect your calendar. AnyBiz will handle domain setup, warming, and targeting. The AI will manage emails, LinkedIn posts, and schedule meetings, allowing you to focus on closing deals. Stay in the know, like, and subscribe to never miss a beat on our latest releases.